Hey everyone, Maxime here from MaximeW.com and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to create a blog template for your website using DropFunnels. So what I mean by a blog template is this kind of thing. So what I've created right here is a 2/3 blog post and then 1/3 of a call to action, a lead magnet, or whatever you want to add in there. And so what I've done is that this is an entire row, and we can save this entire row to use it on the entire website. And so every time that I have to create a blog post, I have this template already made for me, and I don't have to recreate everything from scratch, and I just have to copy and paste the link of my YouTube video, copy and paste the summary and what I cover and the transcript, and basically it's done, and I just have to do this to make this work. And I'm also going to show you how to create this subscribe button for YouTube and this like button for your Facebook page. So for me personally, I have two blog templates for now. The first one leads to my Freedom Formula training, and the second one leads to free online training with Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi for the Knowledge Broker Blueprint. And so I'm going to show you exactly how I've done to build these two blog templates and how you can do this as well. So the first thing that you want to do is to go to your dashboard and to go into post and all posts. So you can see right here I have all of the posts that I've created for my blog, and what you want to do is to click on add new, and right here you want to select your title, and let's say blog test, and so it's going to generate the permalink. And what you want to do is to scroll down and you want to choose your category right there. This is like a test, so I'm not going to do this. I'm going to choose uncategorized, and the template you want to choose full width, otherwise you will have things at the top and things on the sides of your blog post, and we don't want this. So go ahead and click on full width and just click on DropFunnels. It's gonna save your blog post and redirect you to the drag and drop funnel builder. So what I've done is that I created a row of 2 columns, and what I've done is that I put everything full width, and I let the height of the elements inside. And so what you want to do is to put this at 33. You can either do this by drag and drop, or you can do this by clicking here and telling him 33% right there. Okay, so this is what I've done. All right, so right here I click on this one, and what I do is I click on shadow and I want to click on yes. I put 1 pixel, and I let this by default. And so as you can see, it's gonna add like a really tiny shadow, as we can see. So I'm gonna change this color and I'm gonna put this in gray. And over style, we want to change this to yes, and again 1 pixel, and I want to put this in black. So when I'm gonna over my mouse on this thing, it's gonna turn from gray to black. Okay, I'm gonna show you live just a little after. So what we want to do then is to actually put some code in there. So click on the 3 dots, advanced, and you want to add a CSS class. So this is more advanced, and this is because I want this div to be sticky on the right. So it means that when people are scrolling, I want this thing to stay here on the right. So this is everything that they see and they follow the scroll. So I'm going to show you exactly. So I'm going to name this sticky, and I'm going to click on save, And so what I've done is that I have already created this CSS code, and I'm just going to copy and paste it right there. And so all I have to do is to go click on this arrow down and click on layout, CSS and JavaScript, and I just have to paste this thing. So we've added the class sticky, and the dot means that we target this sticky class. We open the brackets, so class dot mean class, okay? Class sticky, this is the name that I've given to this this div, and position double dot and web sticky. I'm gonna find a way to send you this code so you don't have to type it all, or like position dot double dot sticky and top 0, okay? And then you want to hit save, and right now we can add anything we desire in there. We're gonna add a heading in there as well. Let's add some text. My blog post title, my lead magnet title, and let's reduce the font right there. And basically you can add anything that you want. So right here on my blog post I want to add like a video, and on the right, let's say I want to add a picture, photo style. Let's select a picture, let's select this thing, and let's say we want to add a button, so we're gonna go ahead and add a button, and let's align, yeah, and let's say we want to add a text. This is gonna be the text of our blog post, and so basically what you have to do is to click on save, and I wanted to show you as well how to create the Facebook like and the YouTube subscribe thing. So what I've done is that I created a two column row sorry, and search on Google Facebook like button, and you're gonna have like the first thing is this page. And so what you want to do is to put the link of your Facebook page, then you can customize the style. So I personally don't want to have like this thing. You can have a box count, you can have like this, and I just decided to have just the button right here. And you click on get code, you copy this, and what you want to do is to add HTML in there, and you just want to paste this, and then you go back, you copy this, and you paste this, and you click on save. And for YouTube, you want to search for YouTube subscribe button, and you're gonna find this thing. Just copy and paste the ID of your channel. So when you go to your channel on YouTube, this is the thing in the bracket. So you can copy and paste this thing, and then all you have to do is to copy this, go to DropFunnels, click on HTML, paste, save, and you are good to go. And I prefer to have them reverse. I'm gonna add like a 20, okay, and let's see, like this. All right, that's looking great. And right now I want to save, and I want to publish, and here's what it looks like. And so this thing on the right is sticky. So if I go back to my website, the post, all of the posts, and I have this blog test, I can copy the link, and I'm going to show you when I'm not connected. And so you can see that this thing is going to stay on the right as I scroll down. Okay, so you can add like border radius, you can add whatever you want in there. And I like this effects on the over. It grabs attention and makes people pay attention to this. Okay, so that's it pretty much for this video. And then what you have to do, so to create this blog, once you have like the template as you want it to look like, go to add a new post, for example, then on the DropFunnels. And what you want to do is to actually click here on the row settings, save as, and blog template 1. And you can decide to be global or not. I decided not to be global because I want to edit this video and I don't want to change the video to the entire, to all of the blog posts. So I didn't select global, and you don't want either. And you click on save. And basically right now, every time that I create a post, I'm gonna have access to this page. And all I have to do is to go to rows, saved rows, and blog template 1. I just have to drag and drop, and I have my entire blog post template already done for me. And I just have to go in there, replace my YouTube video, and I have the lead magnet created, already done for me, and my links right there working for me. And this is everything that I have to do pretty much. So that's it for this video. Let me know down below in the comments if you have any question, and please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button to be notified every time that I release a new video. That helps me grow the channel, and that helps me help you to get better content each and every day. That being said, I wish you an amazing day, and I will talk to you soon. Peace!